Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to reply to a message directly from Sent Media on WhatsApp Web, step by step following the latest update, whether you're managing photos, videos, or documents from your computer. This new feature makes conversations more seamless than ever, so let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your familiar chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, look at the icons on the left side menu and click on the media icon. This is where WhatsApp now organizes all your shared files in one place, making it easier to view everything you've sent or received. Once you're in the media section, choose media from the available options to find the file you want to reply to. This can include images, videos, voice notes, or any other attachments you've shared. Scroll through until you find the exact one you're looking for. Now, at the top of the window, you'll notice a small sort icon. Click on it to open sorting options. From there, select You. This filters the media to only show items that you have sent to others, so you can easily locate your own shared content. When you found the right media file, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. Choose Reply from the list. This new option is one of the most useful additions in the recent WhatsApp Web update, letting you respond to your own sent media without scrolling back through long chats. After clicking Reply, a message box will appear at the bottom showing a preview of the selected media. Simply type your message just like you would in a regular chat. Once you're happy with your reply, click Send, and your response will be instantly linked to that specific media file in the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a message from your sent media on WhatsApp Web. This small but powerful update streamlines communication, helping you stay organized and efficient on your computer.